everybody, my name is Azania Mosaka and I'm the spokesperson for Justine, South Africa's tried, tested and trusted beauty brand. We've been around for over 40 years, so you know what we've got is good. Now, my 5 beauty tips: you have to start off by finding a beauty routine. Your cleansing, your toning and your moisturizing. You do that religiously, morning and night. Do not skip a day. And then during the day, my second tip is always wear sunscreen. You do not go out in the sun, regardless of your complexion, without sunscreen. So get a good sunscreen to protect your skin. You'll thank me later, okay? When you're on your rocking chair at 80 with great skin, you will thank me. And then my third tip is to, in the evening, and it's not just about your face alone, make sure that you take care of your hands and your feet. It doesn't just stop with the face. So after you've washed your face and everything else, have a special moisturizer that you apply. So in the evenings, add that to your routine. And I find that the tissue oil body lotion is perfect for that. So just spend time moisturizing, you know. Moisturize, go between your fingers, spend time with your toes and your feet, and you'll see that they end up being supple and you don't have a lot of wrinkles either. And then my third tip is also for the rest of the body. When you shower, get a good scrub. And then twice a week or so, when you're taking time in the shower, you're taking off the dead skin cells and you allow your skin to radiate and to, of course, be beautiful. And then another thing that I'm passionate about right now, which is my 5th tip. Let's put down the fake eyelashes permanently. You know how people have these brooms over their eyes permanently. For a special occasion, I can understand. So invest in a good strengthening eyelash serum, so that after you've washed your face at night, you put it on and you'll see that your lashes actually grow to be strong and they grow to be plentiful, so that you don't need the brooms above your eyes. So those are my 5 beauty tips.